So today we're going to be installing a Invidia on my FRS, so let's get into it. I bought the Invidia used off Facebook Marketplace, but he said he only used it for a year, so it's not in bad shape at all. Here's some clips of the FRS. So I'm under the car now, and you gotta get these rubber hangers to come off. I think it's just these 5, and then I'm gonna unbolt it down at the end there, and that should be everything on the exhaust, but I'll just do a quick time lapse for you. Okay, so I just got the exhaust uninstalled. I'll give you a quick look. So that was the one I had on it. It came stock with the car, but it's a TRD exhaust. I'm not sure how much different the Invidia is gonna sound because it looks sort of the same, but yeah, let's get a almost straight pipe start just to see how loud it is.